I'm Jamie.
And I'm Brad.
And I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. I'm here to help you get the most out of your Disney vacation. And today, guess what we're talking about, Brad?
What are we talking about?
The best snacks at Disney World!
Woohoo!
Woo!
Our heart at this channel, at the Jamie Thomas Show, is to help you plan the best Disney vacation possible and just to bring a little bit of Disney magic wherever you are today and just pick your day up a little bit. So today, to help you do those two things, we just want to go over what are our favorite snacks at the Disney World Resort so that maybe next time you're there, maybe you want to try these out and so you can let us know what your favorites are.
And they're not going to be the typical ones, I would say. Like most people, it's like the turkey leg, which for me, I'm like, I'm not a huge fan of the turkey leg.
I would say of the list, and we had a large list that we've shrunk down. I would say of the list, there's one that you could kind of say, oh, that's a typical one. But it's because you have to include it.
But most of them are kind of
different ones that maybe you either haven't thought about, haven't tried before, or are kind of a spin on a more popular thing that we think is better.
Agreed. Yeah. So should we get started?
Let's do it. We've shrunk our list from like 30 or something down to 13. I know it's not a top 10, but for today it's a top 13. So Jamie, kick us off with number 13.
So number 13 is the peanut butter and jelly milkshake at 50's Primetime Cafe. Right at Hollywood Studios. So good. Okay, when I first had this, I thought it was going to be like peanut butter and jelly, like with a sandwich in the milkshake, which sounds really disgusting.
Which begs the question, why did you still try it?
Everyone said it's so good, Jamie. So I tried it, and oh my goodness, it is that good. Yeah.
I know it probably sounds gross to you, but fight that instinct. It's incredible. And the next time you are going to Galaxy's Edge, you're going to go spend some time at Hollywood Studios, stop and treat yourself and get yourself this milkshake.
Number 12 is the Mystic Portal Punch.
You can get this at Toy Story Land at Andy's
Toy Box, right?
Toy Box, yeah.
Or Lunchbox?
Lunchbox. It's Andy's Lunchbox.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's excellent. We were quite shocked. It's a quick service dining location, and that always leaves you kind of like, are we gonna get something good? How is it? Is it just like a burger type place? And yes, it has food like that, but this drink is also incredible. Great snack as you're in that heat of Florida.
And it's super refreshing.
Unbelievably refreshing.
Yeah. I'm not like one for like really brightly colored drinks that are kind of Powerade, but it's not Powerade. It's more smoother.
Number 11 is
Tonga Toast.
Oh,
so good.
You got to get yourself over to the Polynesian. You got to go to Captain Cook's, and you got to order yourself. And again, that's their quick service breakfast.
Yeah.
And so yeah, you don't have to be actually staying there. You don't require a room or anything. Go to Captain Cook's and order the Tonga Toast. It is to die for.
Oh, and you can get out Ohana's too for breakfast.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
There you go.
But
it's
you know,
at the
Captain
Polynesian.
Cook's is quick service, so you can go there, and it's kind of like a French toast,
cinnamon base, built like a loaf of bread,
and bananas, a huge loaf of bread, like it's massive. And
the cost is right. You can feed almost 2 people with it, realistically. If you have little kids, you can feed like 3 of you.
Yep.
It's I just die for it. We make a special trip to that resort, even if we're not staying there, because it's so good.
It's number 10 is grilled banana bread with peanut butter at Beaches and Cream.
Oh.
Now, this is over at the Beach Club at the resort there. You do have to go in and sit down to order this, but it is so good. It's almost like a chocolate chip banana bread with peanut butter sauce in it and whipped cream.
They make like a mountain of whipped cream on it. It's so awesome.
It's so good. I actually, when I ordered it, the waiter was like, that's my favorite of all the menu. And he was right. It is the best snack I've ever had. So, number 9. It is Zebra Domes. Those are over at the Mara at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. That's their quick service. Or you can also get them at Boma at the buffet there. And they're kind of like ganache domes that have chocolate on the bottom. And
when I saw them, I figured I was gonna be eating like a white chocolate turtle, but it's so much better than that. Which that sounds pretty good, right?
Yeah.
But we've always where I've ate them at has always been at the buffet.
Yeah.
And so I never
could eat
eat
like
just
20
one.
of them.
Yeah, I eat way too many, then I'm sick.
Yeah. But you can get like a pack of 4 at the Mara and just go and get watch the animals over there at the Animal Kingdom Lodge and have some fun.
Fabulous snack.
Number 8 is the Butterfinger Cupcake over at the Trolley Car Cafe.
Again, this is at Hollywood Studios.
This is at Hollywood Studios, and the Trolley Car Cafe actually is the Starbucks, essentially. Yeah. So my only kind of beef with this snack is that you do have to get into the Starbucks lineup to get it.
Which can be pretty significant at Hollywood Studios.
Especially, during the day after you get to the morning, definitely gets quite long. But this Butterfinger Cupcake is easily shareable, I would say, between our whole family, all 4 of us. We go, and it's huge. Lots of chocolate, so you gotta be a chocolate lover and Butterfinger lover, but so good. Number 7 is a cinnamon bun at Gaston's Tavern.
The cinnamon bun, you're thinking, it's simple
it's a cinnamon bun,
right? First off, for the cost, it's a huge cinnamon bun.
It's huge.
So this is one of the reasons we love it, is it's something that if we're needing a pick-me-up as a family, we pick it up as we are in Fantasyland, and it just gives you that kick before that next big meal you're going to eat, and the family is all going to be full. It's a large, large cinnamon bun. Plus, they're just delicious.
They're really good. Number 6 is Nutella Fruit Waffle Sandwich over at Sleepy Hollow, and that is in the Magic Kingdom.
It's in Liberty Square.
Yes.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah,
this is
really
probably one of my favorite snacks because I feel
awesome.
like, you're kind of getting healthy because you have some bananas and strawberries on there.
Yeah, so the calories of the Nutella don't count.
Or the waffle.
That's right. It's just, it's incredible. You will lose weight eating this over and over and over.
It is really good though. I make that a meal for myself because it's just so stupid good. And
it's great.
Yeah.
Number
5 is over at Storybook Treats. Whatever ice cream in a waffle cone they have going on.
It's true.
There.
It doesn't matter what it is.
It doesn't.
It's all right.
And it's kind of fun because they have different themes. They had, the Hey Hey cone. They had Maleficent cone when we were there last. They have Up theme cones. They have all these different theme cones, and honestly, they're all amazing and yummy. So it's kind of fun to have, a cool picture of the Up one with the balloons.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then eat it.
Okay, so just for our audience, and not me at all, remind everyone, where is Storybook?
Storybook Treats is in the Magic Kingdom at Fantasyland. Number
4
is Werthers Popcorn over in Germany at Epcot.
Oh.
Now, okay, when you go there into Germany, you're going to see the pre-made ones. You don't want those.
No, avoid them.
Go past them. You're going to be tempted because they're going to look good and it's going to smell like heaven in there.
But it's not the real thing.
It is. It's just ones that they've made and packaged and put on the shelf. Okay? So you're going to go past that. You're going to get in the line of people getting Werther's candies.
And you're going to get the fresh stuff.
And you are going to get the fresh stuff. They are literally pumping it out right there in front of you. And it is going to be gooey and soft and yummy. And it is going to be the best caramel popcorn you've ever had.
Epcot is such a wonderful thing, and so many people quickly skip over all of the World Showcase. And one of the great things about the World Showcase is not only the shopping, but shopping for treats. And I think Germany, you don't get better than that.
Number 3 is the pineapple upside down Dole Whip cake.
So yummy.
So good. It for me, okay, I like Dole Whip, but for me, it can kind of be a little too tart. I know, I just said something blasphemous for a lot of people, but
it's true.
It can be a little too tart, and you get a lot of it, right?
Yeah.
So I kind of feel like with the pineapple upside down cake, it kind of makes the perfect, you're getting some ice cream and cake and it's just perfect sweetness.
Yeah, it's a nice blend for your palate.
It is. It's really good.
Where's it found?
Oh, at Aloha Isle in the Magic Kingdom. Number 2 is the carrot cake cookie.
Yeah.
Over at the Trolley Car Cafe in Hollywood Studios at the Starbucks. Now, again, you're going to have a lineup, but so worth it to get this. The carrot cake cookie is literally this big, and Brad and I really don't even like carrot.
No, we're not carrot cake people. Struggle with that.
Carrot cake people. It's hard to say.
It is hard. It's a tongue twister.
But we really aren't, and this is so good. We always go and share it, and you gotta try it because it's just delicious. And number 1 is refillable popcorn buckets.
Woot woot.
Oh man. Okay, now you can purchase these popcorn buckets for about $10 to $15. And as you see, we have it's actually broken sadly, but it's the Mickey balloon. But they have seasonal ones during Christmas time. Yep. They'll have Christmas ones with
really cool Halloween ones. Those are my favorite ones of the year.
So fun to collect. Yeah. They're awesome. And Halloween ones, regular popcorn buckets, and you can purchase these for about $10 to $15 and then take it to any popcorn cart around the parks, and it is only $2 to refill the whole thing.
Absolutely.
So we refill it a lot during the day.
It's refillable, but not only at one park, but at all 4 of the parks.
Mm-hmm.
And then at certain ones, like Epcot, there's actually stations where you can refill it with flavored popcorn.
Yeah, they had, was it like buffalo cheddar, ranch, and cheddar cheese, I think? There was 3 different flavors.
Right in front of the Journey to Imagination area.
You go there and you can get flavored popcorn.
Yeah, there were 3 or 4 flavors, and I think they switch them out. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I do know they had 3 or 4 flavors, and it was really fun to test them out for $2. Why not?
Yeah, and so that's like a super cheap snack for your family. So anytime those kids are hungry, throw them a popcorn bucket.
So we want to know in the comments from you, what are your favorite snacks at Disney World? Do you agree with us? Are there any ones that we left out that you just think have to be there? Let us know. We want to have a discussion going with you guys.
So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you are interested in planning your next Disney World, Disneyland, Disney cruise, or Adventures by Disney vacation, make sure to contact me, Jamie at clickthemouse.ca. That's my email, or you can contact me through the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie, and I can help you make that magical dream of your Disney vacation come true. So thanks for joining us with us. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.
Bye.
Bye.